Okay, I'm going to show you how to apply for an EIN number. These are instructions that will work in 2019. And I'm just going to search IRS apply EIN. That might even get us there. Yeah, so the website we want is not these top ones. There's different companies that will charge you to do this service for you, but it's something you can definitely just do yourself. So if you go to irs.gov, and we'll just click on this, and I'm just kind of documenting. I'm going through these steps, showing it for myself. You should definitely consult if you have any questions about this. I'm not really offering any legal advice here. Just kind of documenting the process. So I applied for my LLC. You can check out the other video where I show how to do that. And now I'm applying for an EIN number for that LLC. So this just barely got approved today, the LLC did. So I'm going to click Apply Online right here. There's just some good information talking about if you need an EIN number or what, just kind of clearing it up. So it's a good idea to read through all of this. I'm going to click on Begin Application. And then it says, what type of legal structure do I have? Well, you could do it sole proprietor, but I'm doing LLC because mine is for an LLC. So whatever entity you have, you want to select that. And then more information that you should definitely read through. How many members? Mine is just one, so it's a sole member LLC. And then the state, my state is Idaho, and I'll click Continue. Definitely more information you should read through. I'm going to click Continue here. And then the reason for requesting the EIN number is because I started a new business, so I'm going to select that as my option. And then it says who's responsible for it, an individual or an existing business. This could be either one, but for me it's an individual. It's just myself. And it's going to ask some information about that individual. So who is it? So I'll put my information in here. And I won't do a title. Do I have to do one? No, that's not required. And then it's going to ask for my social security number. So I'll put that in. And then it says, what role do you have? So I am an owner or a member. So click Continue. And then the address. So this is going to be where the LLC. So this is the business address. So I'll put that in right now. And the business phone number. And then and the phone number is required. So I'm just putting my own personal phone number since I don't have a business phone number yet. And then do I have a different address where I want mail to be sent? Nope, that's a good mailing address. So I'll hit Continue. And then it says, tell us about the LLC. So this is information about the LLC. So we put in the legal name of the LLC, which is Rick's Studios LLC. And then the trade name, we're just going to keep this blank because we don't have a DBA. We're not doing anything different. And so the county where it's located, okay? So my county is Madison County. And then it says the state, which is Idaho. The territory, which I guess I'll just do Idaho as well. And then the start date. So this will be, it started just January 2019. We'll go Continue. And then, does your business own a highway motor vehicle? So no, this is a new, since it's a brand new startup business, most of these are going to be no. Gambling, no. Doesn't need to file this form. I know the answer is no to that. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? No. Do you have or expect to have any employees? So this is a good one. So yours might be yes. In the next 12 months, I really don't, because this business is just for income for my personal YouTube channels. So it's sort of like a passive revenue stream. It's just myself involved with it as the owner. I really don't plan to actually have any employees in the immediate future. And then it's going to ask what the business actually does. So this one can be a little bit tricky sometimes depending on your the trade you're in or what your business is doing. So I'm just going to choose other because it really doesn't match any of these other descriptions here. And then I think it will give me, here we go. So because we chose other, it has these other options here. So we've got consulting, manufacturing. And so really this is more like a, I think I'm just going to choose consulting for this one. I could also say other, and I thought about typing in like YouTube channel or media production. But I think I'm just going to say consulting because I do provide a lot of good information. And I think this might be able to be changed in the future. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. So because I chose consulting, it's asking now, well, do you provide, what type of consulting do you provide? And so really, I'm going to actually say no. It says, do you provide business advice or operating advice to businesses or organizations? I'm going to say no. And my primary business activity is going to be media production. So I probably should have said other media production as well. We'll just say continue here. So it says, how would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? Well, let's do receive letter online. That would be great. I could also have it sent in the mail. Okay, so then it just gives me a rundown of everything here, of all the information that I put in. I've reviewed the information, everything looks correct, so I'm just going to hit submit. And that is it. And look, I've already instantly been assigned an EIN number. I'm going to blur it out for the purpose of this video, but I do have an EIN number right here instantly that I could then print out. So really, if it wasn't the end of the business day, I could really take this along with my certificate of organization from the state of Idaho, and I have all the documentation I would need to open up a bank account and apply for a credit or debit card under the name of this business. I probably won't have very much operating credit since I'm a very newly established business, and they're probably going to have me co-sign as an individual as well. But yeah, it's a good start for my business. So I appreciate you watching. Go ahead and like, comment below. If you have any questions, leave them, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.